Hi everyone, welcome back. It's Kristi. I have a little haul video for you today. I've been running my sister around while she waits for her car to get fixed. It's supposed to be another 3 weeks now, so I've been helping her run errands, doctor visits, etc. So anyway, I've got a few things from my birthday run around, and I've got a few things from yesterday to show you, so not necessarily in the correct order, but I did go to Dollar Tree yesterday looking for popcorn. If you have not had the Dollar Tree popcorn, you're missing out. It's highly addictive. My nephew is addictive, and everybody addicted. Everyone we tell about it and tries it, it's totally, we can't find it. So anyway, we were on the other side of town yesterday. We stopped in the Dollar Tree and they had 4 cases of it. So picked up a little bit of popcorn, as my daughter is the one that started the whole popcorn incidents. But anyway, I found some Just Chenille. I only bought one of these, and it's 100% polyester, so I'm not sure. It's stark white, but it's very soft. I'm not sure if I'll be able to coffee dye it or not. I'm going to take off a little piece and see what I can do. Maybe I'll try some of my Distress oxide sprays or something and see what we can do with it. But I just thought it was fun. And they had, I think they had 3 different colors. I think they had they had an orange, they had the white, and something else I don't remember. But anyway, I picked up just one of those. And I got some more of my Kristi trim. That's what Leslie calls it. Hi, Leslie. Yeah, I just love this stuff. And normally I look to see if it's flat. This one's a little crinkled, but that's okay. My Dollar Tree near me doesn't carry this. Very rarely will I find it there anymore, so when I see it, I grab it. And I picked up some of these mead envelopes because I've been running short. These are the security envelopes. They are black on the inside. I bought some at Walmart that were blue / kind of a purpley color, and when I coffee dyed them, they ran all over everything. These I have not had any problems with running, so I picked up both sizes of those. And the other day I had picked up a pink one of these. Do I see it anywhere here? Yeah. Here it is. It's a metallic marker, and I just love the way it writes, so I went ahead and picked up the blue one. I think there was a gold at the posh Dollar Tree we went to last week, but we'll see. I've got the pink and the blue, so I'm good to go. So that was my Dollar Tree haul. And then my daughter gave me this beautiful mouse pad for my birthday. I love it. My son gave me a Dutch Bros gift card, so I can't wait to go use that. And he knows I have a birthday freebie at Jimmy John's, so he's ready to go to Jimmy John's, and that's his favorite sandwich place, but they closed ours and we have to go to the other side of town, so it's a special trip to go get that. But then my other daughter got me this. She's an eBay reseller, and I just happened to mention one day, just really quickly, hey, if you're ever on there looking at eBay and you find something Edith Holden, let me know. And sure enough, she had found it and purchased it. This is a reproduction. A facsimile reproduction of the 1906 book, but I don't care. I have never had a whole Edith Holden book. The one that I have been able to purchase was her life story, and so it has smaller plates of some of these, but not the whole book. So I was excited to get this, and because it's a reproduction, I won't have any guilt in tearing it apart, so I thought that was cool. Alright, so that was my birthday goodies, and my husband hasn't bought me a birthday present yet because I haven't told him what I wanted. I keep changing my mind. So yesterday, when I was running my sister, we stopped at Tuesday Morning, and our Tuesday Morning has nothing in it. I don't know. Have you guys been to Tuesday Morning? It's when we first went about, I guess it was 2 or 3 months ago. I don't even remember when it was. There were signs all over the store that said, because of COVID, we have not been able to shop, and we're low on merchandise, and blah blah blah. And so I get that. The signs are all gone, but there's still very little merchandise in the store. Not one iota of Tim Holtz. The paper packs were collections with ephemera in them, and they were all like $14.99. I noticed all the prices seemed to be a little bit higher. There were no really good discounts on anything that I would purchase. The things that were in the discount bin outside were food items and rugs. So, but I did see this, and there were several King Art brand markers and paints and various, art items, art supplies. And I saw these 12 Comfort Grip Gel sticks, and I just now took the wrapping off so I could prep for this video. This comes in a nice case. Look at that. These are beautiful, and these are gel sticks. This was $6.99, guys. So if you have a Tuesday Morning, you should check and see if they have this. This is an excellent deal. So it's got pretty much every color. I'll open this in case you're getting a glare. But it has a nice, if I can figure out how to do it, snap case here, and they all fit inside like that. I have to play with them a little bit. My biggest problem with getting the lids off of things is getting the lid all smeared on the gel. But very creamy, nice. If it writes on me, I know I'm gonna like it, because a lot of the gel pens are really well, I don't know if there's wax in it or what's in it, but it's almost like writing on your hand with a Crayola. They're not creamy and movable, and these are water-based, odorless, non-toxic. So I want to do me some Try It Tuesday Artie Mae style with these. And yeah, I was so excited about that. That's my favorite thing I got yesterday. All right, so I probably won't save this box, but this is a nice, thick, sturdy box, and I'm thinking journal cover. Okay, so what else have I got here? I have a Paparazzi haul that I got, and I just love this. I may wear some of these, I may take some apart and use them, but how cute are these earrings? I don't know if you know this, but whenever you buy a necklace from Paparazzi, it comes with a pair of earrings. So I just love this. So my sister set it aside. She said, I know you're going to love this one. And she was right. Now, I love silver. So that is one. And then this copper heart bracelet. Isn't that adorable? I love that. Okay, and then we have some rose gold items in here somewhere. Here's another one this one's copper and silver. And there again, it has the flower necklace, which I would never wear something that large, but I will certainly put that on a journal somewhere. I would definitely wear the earrings. Love, love, love the earrings. So I thought that was pretty full. And then we have this one, also same thing. Would not probably wear the necklace, would cut it apart, but I will wear, I would probably wear the earrings. Oh, I got them out of the container. I took them out to see. I didn't get them back in right. But I don't wear a lot of gold. I have a rose gold ring. Mostly everything I wear is silver. Our wedding rings are platinum and gold because I couldn't decide at the time, and that was almost 30 years ago. But I would definitely wear these earrings, and I just love these large rose motifs. I think they would be adorable as a journal cover accent. And then, of course, you know me, vintage. I love this. I fell in love with these instantly, and I would definitely wear these. And the beauty is, if I get tired of it, it goes on a journal. So that's my paparazzi haul there. Just had so much fun going through this. I used to be a paparazzi lady, and so I've been thinking about doing it again. Do I have time? I don't know. Maybe just doing an online store and maybe showing some things on video. But all right, so I also went to Hobby Lobby. I went for Gathered Twigs ink and to see if they had the distress spray, which they do not. The biggest issue I have with my Hobby Lobby, I love it. I'm just so excited that they're on my side of town, but they don't have a lot of supplies. And maybe it's the same issue that they're having over at Tuesday Morning, because I cannot find, you know, the ink pads I need. They don't have ink, they have oxide. They don't have oxide, they have ink. And they only have the same 3 sets. And so I went ahead and bought them. I already had purchased, let me see if I can find it. I had already purchased these. Now these come as a set, and they're $12 retail, but they go on sale for 40% off, which means you get 2 for $7.19. So I got these Vintage Photo and Walnut Stain. Walnut Stain for when you want to live on the edge. And then this time I got, and this is the other thing, the packaging bothers me, because half the time these are turned around this way and you don't know what color it is. And there's no way to turn it around in the case. So I just bought them because they were pink and the other one was green and blue. I wanted the blue, I wanted the pink, and I just bought both. So basically I got both of these for $7.19. This one is Spun Sugar. This one is Festive Berries. I have not even opened them yet, but we'll have a play later on. And then this one is Tumbled Glass, which I absolutely love. Cannot find the ink pad. And Shabby Shutters. So now I take that back. I can find these things on Amazon or scrapbook.com, but I don't want to pay the shipping. And I don't want to order $50 to get free shipping, or $75. Some places are $75 now. So I wait, and we'll get them eventually. As re-inkers, I have not seen hide nor hair. All right, so I went over to the fabric department, and they had some things on clearance in the remnants section. So let me show you this one first. Let's go ahead and open this. I had wanted some, I'm going to use my old scissors to get some fringe, and they had this fabulous olive colored fringe. I love it, love it, love it. This was $1.24. Now, granted, it's only 1 yard, but $1.24. And 1 yard of this goes an awful long way. And then I will save these reels for my snippet trim. But this is a lot of tassels, because I will probably only use them one at a time for hanging on a paper clip or something. That's what I wanted them for anyway. But they had orange, they had another blue-green color, but I got this one because I knew I would use this on a botanical or nature journal or what have you. So I got that, $1.24, and why not pick up this one, right? This one is the blue color, very similar to what I like, and so I thought that would be fun, and so I picked up that, and maybe I should have picked up more. I don't know. I figured this would last me for a while though. So anyway, let's take that off of there so I can get it in my, throw it in my stash after this video. I used to have a babysitter that had the big old phone wire, telephone pole cables and stuff. They had these in their backyard, and I remember as a kid we used to ride on them. I don't know, sorry, sidetrack. This was $3.24, and yes, it's only a yard, but it was $13 a yard there. So I took a chance on this. It has crystals on the edge that are so glittery. It almost looks like it's sticky back. It's iron-on. Okay, it's iron-on trim. It smells wonderful. But it has 2 lines of crystals at the top, and then it has the crystals on the bottom, and I just loved that. I thought, how pretty is that? So I don't know if we can take the iron-on off, or maybe iron it to whatever we need to use it for, or what. I will have to play with this. If anyone knows, let me know. This is the Hobby Lobby brand, I think, isn't that? Merchant 41. Lace iron-on trim with stones. So that one was pretty, and then they had the other one. First I thought they just had the one, and then the lady came over with a shopping cart full of more stuff. So I had to get this one. Had like these little daisies in it, and I thought this was pretty. Same thing, it's that iron-on, but isn't that cute? I just love that. So cute. So anyway, alright, so that, I believe, I'm looking around me to see, but I'm pretty sure that is my hauls of late. So I will wrap this video up, and I'm going to try and film a couple videos today. I don't think I have to run anybody anywhere, and it's Marvel pizza night tonight, so I'm going to see how many videos I can get made and uploaded to you, and if I don't get them all done today, there's always tomorrow. So thanks for watching, everybody. I'll see you next time.